Hey friends, here is Alex. Today we share a story of Martin and his TVM-82A from United Kingdom. He raised an engineering company that designs and builds products for the smoke control industry. He designed some 3D printed strip feeders for components which are purchased in strips, not on reels. It's very awesome. Let's have a look. He said, the TVM-82A is perfect for us, because of its compact form factor and relative ease of setup, with no support equipment required like air compressors, etc. What is your opinion about TVM-82 PNP machine? Feel free to leave us a message to share your stories and comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.